animal groups. Introduction. There are many kinds of animals. Animals belong to different groups. Different animals have different body parts. The parts an animal has can tell us which group it is in. One group of animals has backbones. Bones help animals move. Bones give animals their shape. Bones can even protect an animal's other body parts. Animals with backbones. There are many groups of animals with backbones. Mammals, birds, fish, reptiles, and amphibians are all groups of animals with backbones. Even thought those animals have backbones. They are different from one another animals.
Con đọc là dùng sai dấu chấm rồi, con đọc là
Even though these animals have backbones, they are different from one another. Animals are different because they live in different environment. Animals have adapt
và thích nghi, thay đổi bản thân để thích nghi với môi trường, người ta gọi là
adapt to.
Từ đầu câu.
Animals have adapt to their environment. Mammals. Some animals are mammals. Mammals have backbones. Most mammals have fur or hair on their bodies. Mammals live in many different environments. Mammals are adapted to live in their environment. Some mammals change color to hide in their environment. This is called camouflage. One mammal that uses camouflage is the Arctic fox in winter. Arctic. This one mammal. Đây là từ Arctic. One mammal that uses camouflage is the Arctic fox. In winter, the fox will change from gray or brown to white. This helps the fox hide in the snow. Birds. Some animals are birds. Birds have backbones. They have feathers and wings. Many birds use their feathers and wings to fly. Birds also live in many different environments. Birds are adapted to live in their environment. This woodpecker
Pecker.
beak is strong. The beak helps the bird to make holes in trees. The woodpecker's tongue is long and sticky. It uses its tongue to get insects from inside the tree. Shark. Remora fish. Some animals are fish. Some fish have backbones. Fish live in the water. Fish are adapted to live it. Fish. Some animals are fish. Some fish have backbones. Fish live in the water. Fish are adapted to live in the environment. Most fish have scales. Most fish have fins.
Where's the fin?
Here.
Good job.
Scales and fins help fish swim. Fish have gills. Gills have gills. Gills help fish get the oxygen they need to live. The remora fish has a sucker. Sucker.
Nào đọc lại từ đầu câu coi.
The remora
Con đọc lại. Đọc liền.
The remora fish has a sucker on its head. This fish stays safe by using its sucker to stick to other sea animals. Sometimes remoras stick to sharks. Sharks keep remoras safe.
Wow, that's all.
Reptiles. Some animals are reptiles. Reptiles have backbones. They have scales on their skin.
Where's the scale?
Here.
Where is the color of the scale?
Here.
Where is the color?
Here. Many. So many.
Okay. Next.
Some animals are reptiles. Reptiles have backbone. They have scales on their skin. This scale protect the animal. Reptiles get cold. Then the air is cold. Then they get warm when the air is warm. Some worm reptiles can move fast. Some reptiles can change colors. Camouflage let them hide in the place where they live. The chameleon
Chameleon.
chameleon can change.
Chameleon.
The chameleon can change from yellow to green to brown. Different things cause its skin color to change. Sometimes the color change because the animal is very cat. Is afraid.
Afraid. What is afraid?
I don't know.
You don't know? Scared. You know what is scared? Sợ ấy.
Afraid. Camouflage. Con biết rồi, con biết rồi.
Okay.
Sometimes the color change because the animal is afraid. Camouflage helps the chameleon stay safe. Còn mấy cái đây. Amphibian. Some animals are amphibian. Amphibians have backbones. Amphibians live in many different environments. They can live on land and in the water. They are adapted to live in the environment. This poison
Poison này không biết.
không
Poison là có độc đấy. Độc, không biết có độc là gì không? Là chất không tốt cho cơ thể nên người ta gọi là độc.
nếu mình
Phá hủy
chạm
cơ thể.
vào nó thì mình nhiễm là nó đau bụng.
Đó, hoặc là nó bị đau tay đấy, cái là poison.
The poison that frog eat insect and turn them to poison. The poison trade
Không phải chết không?
to the poison travel through the frog body and into its skin. The poison keeps other animals from eating the frog. This is why the frog stays safe.
Thế cho mẹ hỏi, should we touch the frog skin?
No,
Why?
because it is poison.
Yeah, it has the
Độc.
it
Poison.
Has poison, right? Okay, put down. Put down.
Animal.
Oh, you need to be confused.
What? Animals without birth. Well, there are many animals in the world that do not have backbones. Animals without backbone live in many different environments. They are adapted to live their environment. Animals without backbones need to protect their body parts. Snails have soft bodies. Their heart shall help them stay safe. Jellyfish also have soft bodies, but they can sting animals that want to harm them.
Harm. You know what is sting?
Them. No.
Đốt đi. Sting là đốt là làm cho con bị ngứa ấy. Harm là gì? Không biết harm là gì?
No.
Harm là gì? Want to harm them là còn muốn gì? Muốn làm hại nó. Ví dụ con sứa này sẽ sting anyone who want to catch them, to harm them. Đúng không? Okay.
That.
What is the shell?
The shell. What is
Can you
the
point it to the shell of the snail? Good job. Okay.
Oh my God. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Insect have 3 main body. 3. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3.
Good job. In
Tôi cần đọc. Insect have 3 main body parts and 6 legs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6.
no, this is not the leg. This is the antenna.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 legs. Many insects have an
Antenna.
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 1, 2. Antenna and 3 heads. This antenna help the insect feel, smell, hear, and taste things.
What the antenna do? Antenna for the insect. What they do for the insect?
Smell good.
Smell. What else?
Smell, hear,
Hear. Okay. What else?
and taste things.
Taste. What else?
Feel, smell.
Feel as well. Okay. Good job.
What is feel, smell?
Feel. Feel it. Feel it. You feel it soft or hard? Smell.
Hard.
How you smell? What you use to smell?
Nose.
What you use to hear?
Ears.
What you use to taste?
Tongue.
Good job. So the antenna do all that job.
Like an insect, the cicada
Cicada.
What is that?
Đấy, cái từ đấy đấy, chính là cái từ đấy. Đọc đấy. Cicada.
Cicada doesn't not have bones. Don't have bones.
No, it does not have
Why?
bones. You continue to read.
The cicada can sing. Na 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 na. The loud singer is the loud singing of some cicadas keeps them safe. Birds do not like the sun. They stay away from the cicadas.
Wow.
Worms. I scared of worms.
Can you guess the worm have the backbone or not?
Not.
Good job. Read it.
I scared the worms.
Scared. So you read it. Know more about it.
In our tummy when we have the news we
And swallow the
swallow
worm egg.
Worm egg.
Then it hatch into your tummy.
Then my tummy is go to the hospital. Worms. There are a lot of different kinds of worms. Worms do not have backbones. Earthworms' body have more than 100 parts. Wow!
So many parts, right?
Earthworms live in the soil. Damp soil helps keep the skin of the worm wet. They must stay damp to be able to get air. The bird like to eat worms.
Correct.
Octopus, just this. Okay. Wow, octopus. I scared octopus. Octopus, we eat octopus. Octopus are sea, but nhưng là sea ocean. But people cannot take octopus out.
Why?
But why people can take octopus out?
We use some tool to catch it.
What?
If we do not use a tool, very difficult to catch it.
We need to cut hand. Then the
And then it
octopus.
can sting us if we use the hand, right? Because we want to harm them, right?
Octopus are sea animals without backbones. They can make clouds out of ink to stay safe. Ink makes it hard for the animals to find octopus. Octopus can also use camouflage to hide. Oh, camouflage, okay. Animals with backbones live in many places in the world. Animals without backbones do too. However, wherever an animal lives, it is adapts to its environment.
Không có nhớ adopt là gì không? Change to suit with the environment, okay? Đây gọi là gì? How does an Arctic fox fur change in the winter?
White.
Yeah. How does camouflage protect a chameleon?
Girls.
How it protect? It makes the
Camouflage.
the animal want to eat them, easy to see them or difficult to see them.
Difficult to see them.
Nói cả câu.
It makes difficult to see them.
It makes it difficult to see them, right? Good job. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, I am the seashore hot dog.